Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Withings blood pressure monitor. First, let's get your device ready. Make sure your monitor is fully charged. This usually takes about 2 hours for a complete charge. Next, download the free Withings Health Mate app onto your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, open the app and follow the simple on-screen prompts to pair your blood pressure monitor using Bluetooth. Keep your monitor close to your phone, ideally within 1 meter, for a smooth connection. Now, let's take an accurate measurement. Find a quiet place and sit comfortably for at least 5 minutes, ensuring your back is supported and your feet are flat on the floor. Position the cuff on your bare upper arm, about 2 to 3 centimeters above your elbow. Make sure the artery mark on the cuff is aligned with your brachial artery. Once ready, simply press the button on your monitor to begin the measurement, and remember to stay still and silent until it's complete. After your measurement, the results will appear on the monitor and in your Health Mate app. Your reading consists of 2 numbers. The top number is your systolic pressure, which measures the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats. The bottom number is your diastolic pressure, indicating the pressure when your heart rests between beats. The app will clearly display these values and categorize them, helping you understand if your blood pressure is within a healthy range, generally below 120, over 80 millimeters of mercury. The Withings Health Mate app is a powerful tool for managing your health. It automatically saves every single blood pressure reading, building a comprehensive history. You can easily view trends over days, weeks, or months through clear graphs and average calculations. This data can be securely shared with your doctor, providing valuable insights for your healthcare. Additionally, you can set helpful reminders within the app to ensure you take your measurements consistently, supporting better long-term health management.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.